Friday, I get a mug. Hold on. Alright guys, I just received these 2 boxes in the mail. They're from Beckman 1802. We're gonna open them. Before we do, please like, subscribe, and share. Comment down below. I'm out of breath. I came up the stairs. Almost 2 months postpartum, guys. Give me a break. But I've lost so much weight. I don't know if you can see it. I can't see it, but I feel like this little pouch right here to go. But yeah, can't wait to show you the things that I got. So let's go on to the rest of the video. We'll do the little box first, and then we'll do the big box later. So this, I literally just ordered this the other day. That was some fast shipping. What happened? What are you hiding for? Okay, I know what this box is. All right, bam, bam, bam. Okay. This is the Sunshine Body Mask. I just took a shower. I'm so upset. I just took a shower. Yeah? This is the body scrub. I'm excited to use this. This is the Sunshine Body Mask. Smooth Moves Goat Milk Clay Body Mask. It's made with goat milk, PHAs, and white clay. Soothes things over with this deeply purifying body mask. Think of it like a face mask but for your body, but packed with pure purging power than ever. Directions. First, you'll want to strip, then spread this layer all over your body from neck down and use a spot treatment, or you can use it as a spot treatment for 10 minutes and then use warm water. Buff your skin first if you want like extra results. But yeah, I'm so excited. I'm so mad I just took a shower. I could have used this. Alright, and then the next thing I got is the full size and the travel size of their whipped body cream. I got the pure one. It has no scent, no fragrance at all. I wanted something that didn't have fragrance or scent because I want to use it on my kids who have eczema, and I want to see how well it works, because if it works amazingly, it's going to be our new things. I'm telling you guys, my whole bathroom is turning into Beckman 1802. I almost have all of their products because it's that good. And of course, I do have a code. You guys can check it out. I'll put it here in the video and down the link in the description, because honestly, I like it. My skin has gotten so much better. Like, I wish I had before and after video photos. I don't know, maybe I'll look at old videos and like show you what my face looked like. Alright, this one has a lot of goodies inside of it. I ordered stuff and then I can't remember what I ordered. I'm bad. Oh, it's Friday. I get a mug. Hold on. I'll show y'all. My Beckman 02 mug. Oh god. And I had coffee already today. Tomorrow. I don't want to like break my mug. Okay. Kindness Crew. Kindness Beckman 1802. This is a cute mug. I will definitely be using this mug. It's heavy, it's sturdy. Yeah. This is cute. This is cute. I love mugs. Give me a mug anytime, any day, any place. Okay, so this is the potato peel. I got the full size one. This is the one I have. It is a travel size, but this one is the full size one. They sent it to me. I got this for free with the mug because I am an ambassador. Full size. So I'm not gonna use this one. I might save it and gift it. Christmas is coming. You gotta start getting, you know, Christmas gifts ready. But the potato peel is really good. It's good for taking off the dead skin. I like using it a lot. I mean, I don't use it a lot because I don't like using peels too often. But when I do, it leaves my face amazing. Okay. Bloom Cream is this one that I've been using, and I needed to get a new one because I'm running low because I use it all the time. If you didn't see my video, I usually use this with the vitamin C serum together, and I make a little daisy. But this is what the full size bottle looks like. Ah, so cute. I love the shape of their bottles and stuff. Super cute. Still has a little flower, so I can still, you know, do my little daisy that you'll see me do later. So excited for this. And then the next thing is, oh, I needed this. I was just saying in my stories on my Instagram that I need an eye cream because I'm starting to get lines. So I get no sleep because I'm a mom of 4 and have a newborn, 2 months postpartum. So this is definitely a must. I got it in a small size. This way I can take it around with me when I travel, or just, I don't really need such a big size because it's for your eye. You just do a little drop, or even 1 drop is enough for 2 eyes. But yeah, this way it'll last me and I can get through it. Because sometimes if I get like big size stuff, I don't go through it, and then I get more products and then it's like just sits there and it goes to waste. And then I got this Midnight Milk Better Aging Sleep Cream, because like I said, I don't get sleep because I'm a mom. So I got this face night mask, which I'm excited to try. It says apply a 1/4 size amount evenly across the face to leave on overnight. So I will be doing this every night if I remember. And that is everything that I got in my Beckman 02 packages. Thank you to Beckman 02 for making the best products ever. I'm going to show you how I moisturize my skin. Yes, what happened? So I make the little flower. Then I take the enzyme, put a dot in the middle, and there's a little flower. You see it? A little flower. I'm corny, I know. Of course, I put a little bit more of this because it's not going to be enough for like the whole face. But, yep, that is all she wrote. Hold on, put a little bit more. Mix it in there. Because I need some vitamin C in the skin. I don't need discoloration and dark spots, sunspots, because Yes, Miles. I'm doing my face. He's like, what are you doing? Oh, and then I'm going to use the eye cream. Oh, first time using it. Take it out of the box. Leave my mug alone. He's trying to go for my mug. This is the eye cream. I already showed it to you. Oh, see, you don't even need a lot. You need 1. You guys need 1. Usually I put it all around my eye because your whole eye needs it. But yeah, my favorite brand, my favorite products. I'm obsessed. So if you're looking for things that are made out of goat milk that are for sensitive skin, highly recommend. Oh, how funny this is! I grabbed this yellow scissor. I didn't even mean to grab a yellow scissor, just the one I had there. That is so funny. That's so funny. Anyways, yeah. So definitely check them out if you're looking for a skincare brand that's going to leave your skin amazing. It's made with natural ingredients and it's made for sensitive skin. Beckman 1802 is that. Oh, and then my favorite, the SPF. I'm not going outside, but you know what? I'll put some on anyway so I can show you guys. That's a lot. It goes on so clear. It leaves your skin feeling so smooth. Guys, it's like, oh, you have no idea. I love the way this leaves my face. It's so hydrating. I feel like a layer of just like goodness. I don't know if that makes any sense, but anyway. I gotta stop talking about it because then I sound too enthusiastic and then it's unbelievable. Like my enthusiasm or whatever about products. You're gonna hear water because I'm washing my hands. But yeah, so that's everything I received. Thank you again to Beckman 02. And if you want to check them out, you can use my code Chrysalis20, I believe is the code, to save on your own Beckman 1802 products because they're absolutely amazing. Like I literally have so much of their products. If you want me to make a video to show you every single Beckman 1802 product that I have, let me know down in the comments and I will make you a video just showing you all the stuff that I have from them because it's a lot. It's a lot. Have a good day, afternoon, or evening, whichever time you're watching. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please have a good day, afternoon, or evening, whichever time you're watching. I said that already. And please stay safe out there. Bye now.